So what's up YouTube, welcome to another video from my channel. I am Ankit Banerjee and you're watching It's Your Bike Ankit. Now today I am at OSL Bajaj. Now this is the AJC Bose Road branch or the Minto Park branch. You can find the showroom directly opposite to the AJC Bose Road Gorky Southern bus stop, and it's near Kamak Street to be precise. Now I am here for the unveil of the new NS 125, which is the least capacity motorcycle in the NS lineup. So let's hit the video. So you can see here the podium is ready with 3 motorcycles. Now you might have seen different colors. It is being launched and actually revealed by the company previously by in different other states and other showrooms also, but this is the first official launch of Kolkata with OSL Bajaj AJC Bose Road, or rather it's the Minto Park branch. So you have all the placards, the backdrop, all new NS 125, the first taste of thrill as they use it as a motto. So guys, we are about to unveil the Pulsar NS 125 here. So we are going to have the cake cutting ceremony, and as you can see, there is a printed cake upon the NS 125, and she is the first lady owner of the motorcycle in Kolkata. I am about to have the cake with Umida here. So let me take a piece. Thank you. So this is the Bajaj Pulsar NS 125 that you can see in front of me. It's more or less the same design as the NS 160 and the NS 200, so nothing is much different here. But one thing that you can clearly notice, if you have a keen eye, then this thing is new in this model. So it's kind of a master cylinder guard, or it's something aesthetic. Bajaj hasn't meant any purpose of this thing, but yeah, this is a new thing that is being added into the motorcycle. Then is the normal NS design that you can see with this bold aggressive halogen headlamp, which kind of looks dated now, but you have this LED pilot lamps, and this is the mudguard of this motorcycle with a Fox carbon fiber kind of finish. Now this is the alloy wheel with a 240 mm front disc, and these are the telescopic forks. And coming to this side, you have this extended tank shrouds here with 125 badging or graphics, and then you have the open chassis with the side panels, and here you have the NS 125 badging here. And again you have a tire hugger or mud flap at the rear, and that's also in this Fox carbon fiber kind of finish. Now this is the 125cc engine, which produces about 11.83 bhp of power and 11 newton meters of torque, which is pretty respectable. It is very much okay for the Indian roads, and the intent of this motorcycle sits at 125cc, and it's meant to be a sporty commuter, and it's at a very entry level segment. Now the chassis here, you can see it's a side down tube chassis, and you have the Kickstarter here, which is a good addition. Now the foot pegs are also of very nice quality. They are metal, it's not aluminium, so it's a normal metal. Then you have this rear foot peg stock here. Now the front tire is 80 by 100 R17, and these are C8 Zoom Plus tires, and the rear one is 100 by 70 R17. This is again from C8, and you have the rear tire hugger here, and the more or less the mother design of the NS is kind of stored here. Nothing much has been played around with. Now this is the rear end of the motorcycle. So you have this clean looking tail tidy, which is very good to look at, and it makes the motorcycle very attractive from the rear. And this is the conventional NS Pulsar like dissected tail lamp with these grab handles. This is the front rider seat, which is pretty soft cushioned. It's good to use for your city rides. And then you have the step up to reach the pillion seat, which is also very nice to sit on, and moreover it's very spacious. And you have this beautiful looking tank, which actually looks very good, and it looks quite bigger considering 125cc motorcycle. Then you have this tank pad here integrated, and you have these creases in the tank which actually accommodates your knees while you fold them while sitting on the motorcycle. And you have the center set foot pegs, which are really nice, and this is the side stand. And another thing is this motorcycle comes with center stand. Then you have the belly cowl underneath, and you can see the catalytic converter, first one here. And then here you have the underbelly exhaust of this motorcycle. So yeah, that's one. Now another thing you need to notice in this motorcycle while buying is the rear drum setup. So it's not disc brake at the rear, so it's a drum setup, and you have a mono shock, and you have a box section swing arm here with open chain system, and this mandatory sari guard. So now this is the burnt red color you can see in front of me. So this is kind of a matte red color with this subtle graphics, which actually looks really nice. So guys, this is the sapphire blue color that you can see here. It's very unique color, and it's a very attractive color. It attracted my attention also. So it's kind of a metallic color here with this blue highlights. This is the orange color, the metallic orange color, and as you can see, it kind of gives a yellow hue out of it when it is projected to the light. And this is the orange color you can see. It also looks very nice. Now coming to this part, so this is the bulb indicators in the NS 125, and the face is very beautiful to look at. And this is the fly screen of the motorcycle. Now coming to the instrument cluster of this motorcycle. So this is the instrument cluster with clip-on handlebars. I will light up the instrument cluster and show you it in all its details. Now coming to the instrument cluster of the NS 125. So it is as similar as the NS 200 and the NS 160. So you have the very conventional analog tachometer. This is the speedometer. You have the time indication, and this is the odometer. You have navigation buttons here. So you have trip 1, trip 2, and then back to odo again. Then you have this fuel meter here, and these are the Territel lights with Bluetooth logo. Now that's not the Bluetooth logo, that's a Bajaj logo, but yeah. Into the switch gear, unlike any other Bajaj motorcycle, these switch gears are not backlit. So these are normal switch gear, and it is of a very basic quality. It's nothing fancy, but yeah, it does the purpose well. And you have the clutch lever feel is kind of light, I can feel that. Now let's crank up this motorcycle once. That was the exhaust note of the NS 125. Now I felt like it is really smooth. So guys, that was my video upon the NS 125 that you can see behind me. So coming to the price of this motorcycle, so it's at 95,000 something ex showroom, and this is about 1,16,000 rupees on road, which is at a very good price if you ask me, because you don't have much players into the segment, while the other performance oriented 125cc motorcycles are placed much higher than this one. So you know what I am talking about. It's the KTM Duke 125, of course. So this is a very clever move from Bajaj in order to launch this motorcycle into the market. And that was all. Hope you like the video. So like, share and subscribe to this channel. This is Ankit Banerjee signing off.